The path that a projectile takes is called trajectory. So this is the trajectory of a projectile where it was thrown at a velocity of u and an angle of alpha, let's say. So at any point, if height is said to be y and the horizontal distance is x, we can write that x is equal to u cos alpha, that is the horizontal component of the velocity, times t, that is after any time t. This is if the position is x, and the height will be u sine alpha times t minus half gt square. Now we can substitute t from this equation and plug in this equation to get an equation which does not have any time component. So we can do that. This one will be u sine alpha times x over, so basically this one will be, t can be written as x over u cos alpha, and this, instead of t here, we can write u cos alpha minus half g x square u square cos square alpha. So this becomes x, this is cancelled, so x tan alpha minus half g x square over u square. 1 over cos square can be written as sec square alpha. Then we can write it x is equal to y is equal to x tan alpha minus half g x square u square 1 plus tan square alpha. We can write that. So if we do a problem now, let's say this one, the problem says a boy can throw a stone at 20 meter per second. At what angle should he throw to achieve a range of 30 meter? Range means when the thrown object comes at the same height of from where it was thrown. So how much horizontal distance does it travel? That is the range in total. So it was thrown here from the ground, and when it comes the same point, the horizontal distance is called range. So range is x. If we look at our equation, if we rewrite the equation, which is y x tan alpha x tan alpha minus half x square over u square half g x square over u square 1 plus tan square alpha. Now in this case y will be 0 because here there is no vertical, basically there is no height, because if it were somewhere here, if the question was it tries to hit a wall which is this much high, then we would have a y which would be this one, the height of the wall, something like that, or where the ball it wants to hit. But in this case y will be 0 and x is 30 because that's the velocity, that's the range, and half 9.8 times x square, which is 30 square, over 20, u square, which is 20 square, 1 plus tan square alpha. So if we rewrite this equation, it becomes 30 tan, I will just rewrite here 30 tan alpha, and this is 4.9 9 over 4 times 9 over 4 plus 4.9 times 9 over 4 tan square alpha. So that is 11.025 tan square alpha minus 30 tan alpha. We can rewrite this one as a quadratic equation, plus 11.025. Let me just check if I got that right. Yeah, this one becomes 11.025, and this is, yeah. So this can be further simplified to this one, tan square alpha minus 2.72 tan alpha plus 1 equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation, and the roots will be tan alpha will be, of course, b square 2a minus b will be 2.72 plus minus b square minus 4ac. So minus 2.72 square minus 4ac, which will be minus 4 basically. So tan alpha becomes 2.285 or 0.435. So alpha becomes 66.36 degree or 23.5 degree. So these are the two possible angles at which the boy has to throw the stone to get that particular range.